Women are made to feel like if they don't do everything themselves that they're actually failing. And then we carry that guilt with us and then we never feel like we're enough. Well, I'm here to give you permission that you can make things easier in your life, like getting a robot vacuum. This is the robot vacuum from Roborock, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely obsessed with this. I call this my own little pet. Her name is Winnie, and she will clean and mop my floors at the same time, all while I'm sleeping or I'm out doing errands. I've had a lot of robot vacuums in my day, but I've never seen one that comes with an app where you can actually customize the entire cleaning situation, so you get to decide how clean your floors are. Winnie's giving me back time I didn't think I actually had, because I am now spending my time with my family instead of cleaning. And this vacuum is on sale right now.